Hey, it's Hannah with Grant Frog, and I'm going to show you how you can use Foundation Discovery in Grant Frog. Foundation Discovery allows you to find and research foundations and see their grants data to find new funding for your organization. With Foundation Discovery, you can filter and search foundations in different ways. So, the first thing you can do is come over here to Foundation Discovery, and there are several options for filtering. You could filter by a specific state, you could filter by a focus area, a certain zip code, an EIN, the name of the foundation, or a city. You can also look and filter by the financials, their assets, and their grant amounts, and also by the actual grant recipients. So, a nonprofit that has received funding, you can research those as well. So, the first thing we can do is go over here to the Foundation tab and let's choose a state. I'm going to choose Texas. And we have a list of all the foundations in Texas. Now, you can filter this further by a focus area. So there are several options: animals, children and youth, cancer, education, various options to go through and see what the foundation has funded over the past several years. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and click on a foundation and show you what is inside of this. So in the foundation, you can see their total assets, when they most recently filed their 990 with the IRS, and their NTEE code. You can also see their contact information, a website if it's available. And then you also have the funding focus areas. This is based on the grants that they have given, and so it pulls in information on that as well. Also has information on how to apply for a grant. If this is listed on their 990, you'll see the grant application deadlines, how to get in contact with them, how to submit a grant. You can also see whether they accept unsolicited requests or not. You can see their grant contributions by year. So you can see how much they gave out in grants over the past few years. And then you can actually see the grants that they've given. So this has the name of the recipient of the grant, the amount that they received, and the purpose of the grant as well. It also has information on that nonprofit or the recipient and their address. So with this, you can really see how much they are granting out, what kinds of areas they support, and where their support goes to. You can further filter the grants themselves by searching for the recipient name. You can search for a minimum and maximum grant amount. You can look for the purpose. You can also research by city, state, and zip code as well. And you can scroll through and see all the different ones and see how many they gave during those years. You can see what year they gave as well. Now, if we go back here to the grant recipients, again, you can filter specifically by city, state, and zip code. We can reset the filters to make sure we're totally clear on that. And then you can see that these foundations funded recipients in Texas. So it's just a different way to look and find funders as well. If you know a funder by name, so we'll just type in Meadows, and it shows the funder by name. So we can click there, and then you can really see more information about that foundation. If you have one that has supported you in the past, or someone specifically you're looking at, you can see that information as well. That's how you use Foundation Discovery in Grant Frog. Start a free trial at grantfrog.com. You can look at it yourself. You can research all on the free trial, and then you can upgrade to continue using it to find grant funds for your organization.